Aloha, how's it everyone? Okay, today we have the Alcoa wheel unboxing for Project Pugly. Let me show you what we got and then I'll kind of give you some background on how I'm going to do this. Okay, hold on, check this out. So the Alcoas arrived yesterday. One thing, we're going to do the unboxing. One thing I wasn't feeling too good about is like all this extra tape. I don't know if you can see it all. It's like, I think they drug it across the ocean floor to get it here to Hawaii. So anyways, I'm keeping my expectations low, but these are the Alcoas. And then so I wanted to get the front wheel, I wanted to get the front end done because this is an upgraded wheel. This is a 12¼ inch wide, whereas these are 8. And I don't really like this look of the sucked in wheel. I don't know if you can see it, but the tires are really sucked in and I wanted them to come out a little bit more, like a beefier look. So this would be like a 295 equivalent. These are gonna be a 385 tire. So that's the whole reason I'm kind of doing this upgrade. I'm gonna do the test fit right now. This is already up. I got these broken loose. I got all these broken loose. Oh yeah, and then for the younger guys, one of the old timers just told me when it says L, can you see? I don't know if the camera will pick up. There's a little L. Let's see. There's a little L on the stud there. Let me see. That means left-hand thread on these older trucks, and it's only on the driver's side. So the other side is a regular right-hand thread, but these are left-hand threads. So I'm glad I figured that out before I was sitting there, you know, wrenching on it the wrong way. So let me get the camera set up and then we'll start doing the unboxing here of these Alcoa. They're 22 5s, and then they're listed as 12¼ inch wide wheel, and then 22½ tall. Okay, here goes the Alcoa wheel unboxing for Project Pugly. Oh, this one has 2 boxes. Okay, that looks, so far it's looking good. Okay. There we go. Oh, here we go. I see a shiny wheel. There we go. Okay. See some fingerprints, but nothing big. Okay, take a look at this. Brand new Alcoa 22.5 by 12¼ inch. Let me see if I can get the, hold on. Got the genuine Alcoa. Okay, let me get it out and take a look at it. That is a big, here's the width. That is a wide wheel. I should have brought my measuring tape. Here we go. Let's make sure this doesn't roll off the pallet. Look at that thing. That is a 1.5 wheels. Let's see here. You guys see it? All right, that's one. Let me grab the other one out. I'm sure, yeah, it looks good. Looks real good. It's a wheel. It's not too heavy. That feels like, so it's about 45, 50 pounds, so it's not too bad. It was listed as 74 pounds. It's not 74 pounds. I can lift this up easily. I can lift it up with one arm. It's not 74 pounds. Hopefully that's not what I got charged on the shipping. Anyways, let me get the other one out and then we'll do a quick test fit on this one. Okay, I got all the old lug nuts off. Let me see what this, I'm gonna grab this wheel off real quick. All right. Let's see here. Okay, let me try to not dirty this wheel up that much. Let me see. All right. Nope. Okay, there we are. It's a little bit wider. It's a little bit wider. Let me show you. Okay, here it is. 22.5 by 12.5. Looks like there's clearance for everything. Let me see. So far, looks pretty good. Huge improvement from that, or from this hideous factory steel wheel. Those are 20-inch wheels too. They're not even 22.5s. Yeah, looks good. Let me come back. I'll show you guys a little bit. So not bad, yeah. Okay. I will keep you posted. We're gonna get some tires, make sure everything fits, and then we're gonna start. I need to get the measurements for, I wanna get a new bumper. So I wanna make sure everything fits, but it looks good so far. All right guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, we're gonna unbox the second one. I wasn't going to, but it looks like this one isn't packaged as well. Let me check it out though. A lot of tape on this one. What is going on? Mark. Okay. The Alcoas come, now you can see that, come pre-damaged. I don't know about this place. Look at that. $600 a wheel. And it has dings in it already. I don't know, man. I guess I can get them buffed out, but kind of disappointing. The other one was fine. This one's fine. This one definitely got beat up on the way here. All right.